In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in into Rarible. If you're new to Rarible, it's a marketplace for digital collectibles, and logging in works a little differently than a typical email and password account. Instead, you connect a crypto wallet, which acts as your secure sign-in. Don't worry, if you already have a wallet like MetaMask, Zerion, or Coinbase Wallet, this is quick. And if you don't have one yet, I'll show you the built-in path to get started safely. First, open your browser and go to rarible.com all. Take a second to confirm the address bar shows the official rarible.com domain. This small habit helps you avoid phishing sites that imitate the real thing. Once the page loads, look to the top right and click Login. This opens the connection panel where Rarible lists the wallet options it supports. Think of this panel as your Choose Your Key screen. If you already use a wallet, select the one you recognize: MetaMask, Zerion, Coinbase Wallet, or another listed option. Your wallet will prompt you to connect. Approve the connection, and when asked to sign a message, review the details and confirm. This signature doesn't cost gas. It simply proves the wallet is yours so Rarible can log you in securely. After that, you'll be returned to Rarible, and your profile menu should appear in the top right, showing your connected address or avatar. If you don't have a wallet yet, click I don't have wallet. Rarible will present trusted providers. Choose the wallet you prefer based on your device and comfort level. For example, a browser extension on desktop or a mobile wallet app. Follow the provider's guided setup to create your wallet. Keep your recovery phrase offline and private. No support agent will ever need it. When the setup finishes, return to Rarible and continue with the same login flow, selecting your new wallet to connect. After you choose your wallet and continue, watch for any prompts from your wallet app or extension. If nothing appears, unlock your wallet, then retry the login button on Rarible. On mobile, you can also open Rarible inside your wallet's in-app browser for a smoother connection. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Only sign messages that clearly reference Rarible.com, keep your wallet unlocked while you connect, and if you run into errors, refresh the page or switch networks according to your wallet's instructions. That's it. Once connected, you're logged in and ready to explore, list, or collect on Rarible.